Evening, welcome to Pedals to Pistons. Well, I say evening, it's afternoon, it's about 5 o'clock. Finished work about an hour ago. Decided on Wednesdays I'm going to put a longer ride in, start mixing it up on the route home, get a bit of longer distance in, not for any reason other than I can, especially when the weather's like this. So this evening I plotted a route to take the Tall Point ferry across into Cornwall. And what is cycling? You know, looking at this, cycling is pleasure, it's pain, it's training, it's meditation. But tonight, training is freedom. I've had a busy day at work and I thought, let's plot the route. And I don't think I could have picked a much better location to cycle. When you look at this, there's obviously a lot of climbing. So the climbing route is 28 miles and 700 meters in total of climbing. So fairly good, but with my 9 kilos less, it's getting a little bit easier. And it's an actual beautiful location for a ride. Now, obviously I'm going to get a training benefit from it, but I could be sat at home after a day at work drinking, I could be smoking, I could be eating rubbish food, getting that dopamine hit. I could be just be scrolling reels, but I've decided to actually have a constructive evening. Now, I'll probably be out till about 7 o'clock, but when you look at this, that's right on the doorstep. I mean, I am currently 8 miles from work. The ferry didn't cost anything. It's complete freedom. Now, when I say it's complete freedom, the route over here, the tide was out, and with the tide being out, there's a little road that's normally covered by the sea, and you're able to take that and come in a different way. A bit of extra climbing, very steep, but it's really, really pleasurable. Now, this amount of freedom you don't get commuting to work in the car. You do, but you get stuck in traffic. Here you're able to cut through the traffic, take lanes that other vehicles aren't able to do, and just go places on your own steam. You know, I've agreed with the missus that I was going to go out for a bit longer, so they're not expecting me home, and this is just banging. It takes your breath away. We've done most of the climbing now, so when I get back into Plymouth, I've got to climb home, which is another 200 meters. But now we've got the coastal road, which is all downhill. So what I'm going to do is actually bring you in for some of the downhill. Now I'll do some narration over the top, but I think you'll agree at the end of this video that it's absolutely stunning. Are you subscribed? Do you like the channel? Give us a comment. Let me know what you think of the footage. We're going to take the downhill right about now. Cycling is more than turning pedals. It's bliss. Just getting to get out here, get away from work, the bike in motion, coastal wind. It's not just a road, it's a reset. Winding along this forgotten corner, well, it's not really forgotten, but it seems it sometimes. You're not just riding, you're shedding the noise, the meetings, the traffic. Okay, I've got my phone with me. You become emotion and you just focus. Ocean on the left, rugged land on the right. It's inviting and it rewards you when you turn up. Clip in and ride. Cycling is clarity. It's in this moment when you breathe, it matches your cadence, your thoughts fall into line just like a tailwind. And on this road with the cliffs on one side in the wild blue stretch of sea, you remember it's just about relaxation. You don't need much. And this road, that's it. The beauty is simplicity. Climbing a rise, then descending with speed. It's a bit of a contrast really. The climbs sting the legs, the descents free the mind. Moments of grit followed by a glide. Out here, the Rain Peninsula doesn't care about your power numbers, doesn't care what bike you ride. It's just your presence, you can enjoy the sea. To earn the view, you've got to find the joy of the journey. Cycling here is a therapy, a good chance to put distance between you and whatever you're carrying, bringing you closer to what really matters. So if you ever ask, what is cycling? It's this road, this ride, this moment, where the land meets the sea and you meet yourself. It's total relaxation, and I really enjoy it. Now, the audio might be awful. I haven't got the mic plugged in. I just stopped at the top of the hill. Trusty ice cream. If you can't go cycling and have an ice cream, why go cycling? It's just like cake. Now, if you look at some of the views here, now, because I ain't got the mic on, you might not be able to hear me. We've got Plymouth in the distance over there. We scan around to Tamar Bridge, and then you've got the expanses of Cornwall. I think you'll agree, this is a stunning ride. I hope you've enjoyed the downhill section just a minute ago. So I'm going to enjoy my ice cream, then I'm going to hit the next downhill section, down into Anthony, get a ferry home and do some more climbing. Heading into Tall Point now for the final climb home. When I get there, it'll be about 23 miles, 2,428 feet of climbing, 740 metres in real pain, and every single metre was earned. The military road was stunning today. I've had legs screaming, clear mind, and it's been a great evening's ride. Not about speed, distance, chasing segments, just about showing up and getting a bit of deload after work. There was a bit of pain, and the test came in the form of St John's Lane. St John's Lane, 0.7 mile, category 4 climb, hits around about 9.2% as an average, but it spikes at 12%. It's not fitness anymore, it's grit. It's 103 metres straight up, quads on fire, no hiding place, just me and the hill. If you haven't got it in you, sometimes you got to pause, but it's a pain with a purpose. That climb today gave me the best view. This week it's going to be a busy one, so a bit of rebuild and recover, and Saturday I'll be clipping in again and heading off to Pork Hill. Bigger climbs, bigger wins, and a road that rewards when you show up. It's pretty tough. So for now, I'm going to rest, refuel, reflect, but the truth is, already thinking about the next ride. Just clean my chain, just put everything back together, and we're ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. I'm trying to mix things up and keep the journey going, but sometimes it's hard just to play along. So if you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, look out for the next video. I'm not going to make one on Pork Hill. I've done 2 already, but I look forward to catching up with you on the next.